French kissing techniques that will make your partner say "oh la la." Make kissing even more of a turn-on by leveling up and adding French kissing to your repertoire. While it might sound complicated, French kissing is just kissing with tongues. But this simple addition can make kissing about 100 times hotter. As with everything when it comes to sex and kissing, French kissing isn't everyone's cup of tea. Some people find closed-mouth kissing to be more enjoyable. You do you. But if you are into French kissing, or want to try it for the first time, you probably want to make sure you're doing it right. While ultimately, it's all about what you and your partner enjoy, French kissing is an art, and you'll want to avoid common pitfalls such as the dreaded lizard tongue, quickly darting your tongue in and out of your partner's mouth, or accidentally smashing your teeth together. When done right, French kissing is a real party in your mouth that can heighten foreplay and arousal. Andrea Demergian, kissing expert and author of Kissing, Everything You Ever Wanted to Know About One of Life's Sweetest Pleasures, tells Refinery 29. Whether you're French kissing your partner at the end of a date, spending time on a long make-out sesh, or adding French kissing to a sexual encounter, here are some techniques to try. Touch tongues. You don't want to overwhelm your partner with a tonsil tongue, particularly at the beginning of a French kiss. Open your mouth and gently touch your tongue to your partner's tongue, moving it delicately. The tongue is a very strong muscle, it should only be served with finesse, says Demergian. Keep it supple and gentle. Explore your partner's mouth. Imagine your tongue as a sexy cartographer and your partner's mouth as uncharted territory. Move your tongue slowly around your partner's mouth, touching all over their tongue, as well as the insides of their cheeks and the roof of their mouth. Do this in search of what may bring heightened pleasure and excitement, and then concentrate on that for a moment. Demergian says, dance a tongue tango. Imagine French kissing as a sort of dance. Tongues can flow in supple tandem, dancing a tongue tango with equal fervor and gentility, says Demergian. It can be a delightfully, highly charged experience of mutual passion where you feel lost in a deep ocean of delight. Intertwine your tongues. Move your tongues against each other's to really get up close and personal. This way, you are really taking in the 411 of their taste, scent, and smell, says Demergian. Suck on your partner's tongue. Another way to heighten the intensity of a French kiss is to gently suck on your partner's tongue before releasing it. The suck should be gentle and quick, at least to begin with. See how your partner reacts, and go from there.